보고 있네. Hey, please walk slow. Hey, mister, slow.
आराम से घुमा दे भाई.
एक पार्टी आ गई बाइक चलो. तो ऊपर तेरा सेल ऊपर ही रुकना. मैं बोलूँगा जब नीचे उतरना. मैं बताता हूँ. It's a top note clips.
No grips.
It's a clip note, no clip. It's a 14 hours every day working inside. 14 hours every day. It's a washing clothes in the whole area. Hotels, railway, laundry. Total Bombay is a washing clothes. Come on. The washing machine. 200 people. There are houses. 5,000 people live inside. There are family living inside. There are new clothes. Hello, sir. New clothes. New brand clothes. There are foreign clothes, hospital clothes.
Hospital clothes.
There's coming inside the hospitals.
Ah.
There's a fire. It's a back seat, operation uniforms. This is the putting inside. It's the clothes. Yeah, ironing clothes. It's a lunchtime. The ironing clothes. Ironing.
Iron.
It's a 200 piece load, one man. It's a strong man. 400 piece load. It's a trial.
Eh?
Very heavy.
Very heavy. Oh, too heavy.
Come.
Thank you.
Chemicals.
Wow.
Very hard working.
Very hard working.
Nice. It's a woman's sari.
Uma, sorry.
Okay, sir?
Finish?
Yes.
No.
Okay, 500.
Yeah. Okay, of course. But I want to go around more time.
Yes,
Okay.
the paint side is you is the close.
Eh? Yes. Thank you. Hello. Hello.